What's going on, everyone? It's Anthony again. Welcome to our first how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to refill your butane lighter. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we've got our lighter turned down to its lowest setting. On the bottom of this Colibri Daytona, it's just a little dial. We're going to make sure that we turn that all the way around to the minus. Secondly, we're going to get our can of gas and make sure that we've got the right nozzle on. Now on these cans, it actually gives you a list of all of the brands of lighters that they work for and gives you a colour coordination as to what nozzle you need to use. Super handy. All the other nozzles are just on the inside of the lid there. Now I know for a fact that this is the right one because I've done this a few thousand times. We're going to take our lighter, hold it upside down, we're going to take our can of gas, place the nozzle just inside the opening there and give it a quick 3-second burst. 1, 2, 3. Do it a couple of times. 1, 2, 3. And make sure that your lighter is filled all the way up. Then we're going to take our lighter, turn it back all the way up to full setting and just give it a little test and make sure that it's all good. So I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that you find out as soon as our next videos come up. We're going to have a range of new how-to videos coming out soon. We're going to show you guys how to cut your cigar, how to light your cigar, how to store them, and how to look after your humidor. If you want any more videos, hit us up in the comments, let us know what you want to see, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.